Hi, welcome to my channel. Randy's here. Today I want to show you how to remove and change the background of the photo. From this to this. Let's start. As you can see on the photo, it's a hairy black dog. First thing to do is to select the subject by accessing the Quick Selection tool. Click Select Subject. Click Select and Mask. Click Refine Edge Brush tool and apply around the image. Click Decontaminate Colors and click OK. As you can see, the background has gone. Select the last layer. Look for the new background and drag it to Photoshop and resize until you find suitable size for you. You can select the main subject and move to the right or to the left or resize. Voila! If you like this content and interested to learn a Photoshop, hit the subscribe, like and bell button not to miss the new content of mine. Thank you for watching.